On Saturday, November 1st, 2025, the Storm Prediction Center highlighted a 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather in South Texas, the main threats being large hail and damaging winds. This is a sounding taken at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Here, it shows Cape values over 1,000 joules per kilogram, along with significant wind shear reaching speeds over 30 knots, and good lifts with the LI being somewhere between -4 and -6. Some may raise the question as to whether these storms could have produced a tornado with the numbers given. My answer to that is very unlikely, as one, the lifting condensation level is pretty elevated at the 850 millibar level. On the sound, you can visually see a cap in the atmosphere as well, in between the 700 and 850 millibar level. To sum it up, the storms would have been too elevated. Now, if Cape levels were higher, then the tornado chances would have been higher, but 1,000 joules per kilogram wouldn't be enough to give that extra boost needed. Viewing this as a potential chase day, my friend Eddie and I were on the lookout for initiation, but initially thought that nothing significant was going to happen, as there was abundant cloud cover over Corpus Christi. However, convection did not initiate until around 4 p.m. It was 4:45 p.m. when we noticed the radar starting to get active, with a cluster of storms to the northwest of Beeville tracking southeast. A lone storm just to the west of Mathis, Texas, and another blip just east of Alice, Texas. We then picked out 2 potential storms to target. Eddie chose the Alice one, and I chose the Beeville cluster, as if one of the storms could become the dominant storm, it could go rapidly. At 5:15 p.m., radar showed the northern cluster grow into what I initially thought was some sort of a QLCS, aka a squall line, with the Mathis storm growing in size as well as the Alice storm. But the Mathis storm was relatively stationary, while the Alice storm was tracking east. Although my confidence in the Beeville storm was diminished, I felt in my gut that it would prevail, and we decided to wait a little bit longer to pull the trigger on the storm to chase, with the Mathis one seeming more favorable. 30 minutes later, at 5:45 p.m., my gut proved me right. That cluster of storms went away, and a supercell took over the environment. The Mathis storm ended up dying out, and the 2 other supercells were too far away to catch before dark. The initial cluster that seemed to be nothing grew into the strongest supercell of the night, with several towns in its path. At 6:15 p.m., we pulled the trigger to go after this beast of a storm with baseball-sized hail, which would go on to notably impact the towns of Taft, Gregory, and Portland, Texas. What you are about to see is footage that shows 2 meteorology students driving into this monster, then realizing the danger that we put ourselves in. Thank you for watching. Man, that RFD is falling, dude. Dude, look at that.
I've been chasing this in a long time.
I know, dude. Whenever we get to, well, you'll know when we get to Taft. Whenever we get there, make a left and just get on that road. And then if you keep going straight after you take that left, it'll take you to the highway. Oh my gosh, dude, that is surging.
You got that?
Yes, dude.
Nice. Yep, there's the outflow over there.
Yeah.
Yep, it's coming in.
Oh, we're gonna get the. We're probably gonna be in the hail core, dude.
Maybe. Let's see. I think you're right. Yep, I think you're right. precipitation starts over there. Kind of see it.
Yeah.
But there's the outflow winds. You can kind of see the disc being kicked up over there.
Oh yeah, I do see them. Dude, those are hauling, man. We're probably gonna, as soon as we get there, we're probably gonna have to. Oh, dude, we got another 3 miles.
We got hail. We got hail.
Oh crap! Should we go back or just hail punch it? 'Cause this is baseballs, dude.
You sure?
It's up to you, man. I'm fine, man. I'll put this down.
Yeah, these are.
Oh, there's hail falling right now. Oh crap!
There it is.
I don't know if you want to stay in this. It's up to you.
These are big hailstones.
I would this. Honestly, what I would suggest, we get out of the way and then we come back for the hail. Oh man. Actually, I'm gonna put this back.
Alright, the hail's getting smaller.
We shouldn't have made that stop, dude. On the side of the highway. Is that the wind? Let's go. Alright, oh yeah. Holy crap. Dude, it's funny, dude. Dude, the wind's rocking.